Shooting up this wall now. If you stand on your clips, throw them out, because 9 times out of 10, if you try and use one that you've stood on, it'll break. Oh, sounds like an ambulance out there. You don't have to be too fancy around your pipes here, because your vanity goes against it and it's got a back on the vanity. When you're drilling the holes in the vanity, you need to be fairly accurate, but not when you're tiling behind it. I do believe people though in running your lines the same way as water flows. We'll come back to you shortly. I'll just cut this